Hey there mga momsies! Welcome back on my channel. For today's video, usapang pimples naman tayo. And of course, I'm gonna be sharing with you the products that I am using. They're very much affordable. Less than 200 pesos lang ang mga products mga momsies, and they're very much available. So, I've been really having a very bad pimple breakout this year, as in this year. For the past years, I love my skin. They're very, alam mo yon, yung very malinis and everything. But this year talaga, I don't know, maybe the hormones are really going crazy at this year. That's why, eto, ayan, better na nga to mga momsies. Tatlo talaga siya in both sides of my cheeks. O, diba? Nagsusumigaw sila. So far, the products that I am using are really helping me battle and heal the pimples that I'm having right now. So, these are the products that I'm using. Siyempre, very important mga momsies to clean, wash your face every day in the morning and in the evening. So, after washing my face, okay, what I do is I put this one, especially in the morning. Ito yung nilalagay ko. Very generous ako dyan mga momsies sa mga pimples ko. Ayan. And this is my second tube na actually. This is from Lux Organics. This is their Miracle Solutions Acne Derm Pimple Corrector. This costs only 179 mga momsies, and you can find it in Watsons, okay? And then after that, if dry na siya, okay, I put this Pure Derm Pimple patches. Sorry, but ayoko yung may mga designs, nadidistract ako doon. Gusto ko yung clear lang siya kasi parang malinis pa din tignan yung face. Nakikita ko yung iba ngayon, may mga designs, iba't ibang colors, but I'm not really into it. Parang nakaka-distract siya. Especially if marami kang pimples. So that means napakaraming pimple patches ilalagay mo. So, para ka nagmumukhang Christmas tree yung face mo. Okay? So, basically, these are the two that I use in the morning, during the day. As much as possible kasi gusto ko protected yung pimple ko. Hindi siya exposed to the air, to the environment. Lalo na't I go out and get my kids in school, and sometimes may mga events din ako during the day. So, gusto ko protected yung pimple ko. Hindi siya masyadong na-expose sa air, sa bacteria, sa environment, and everything. Okay? And sa night naman mga momsies, as I've said earlier, after washing the face, ito naman yung ginagamit ko. This is still from Lux Organics. This is their 2-in-1 Acne Rescue Mud Powder. Overnight pimple drying siya, and yes, it's very effective. So this is what I use. Very generous din ako sa kanya at night mga momsies. And actually, when I started using this like 2 days ago, it helped to really like lighten up my pimple. Ayan, nag-lighten up siya talaga. And then parang lumiit siya. So this is very effective for me mga momsies. So there you go mga momsies. Basically, these are the only 3 products that I use to heal my pimples faster. And if I may give you advice mga momsies, keep your face clean talaga. Wash it in the morning and in the evening before you go to sleep. Ganun. And then try to avoid touching or pricking your pimples kasi sometimes when you do that, yun yung nag-spread siya, and then mas lumalala yung condition ng pimple. And also, if you are wearing makeup, as much as possible, avoid putting on makeups on your pimples. Kumbaga, let it be free. Kasi minsan the makeup will clog or parang nagbablock siya. So, nag-a-add tuloy na mas matagal mag-heal yung makeup. But if you cannot avoid to wear makeup, you use the pimple patch. Cover it para hindi directly napupunta or na-apply yung makeup on your pimples. So, kumbaga, protect it also. Kasi minsan, we don't know the sponges, the brushes that we're using kung this is new or newly washed, yung mga ganun, diba? So, kumbaga, avoid lang natin para hindi mag-worsen yung ating pimple, mga momsies. And also, having pimples, mga momsies, is really normal. Alam mo yon, yung mga hormones natin, especially sa women, nag-iiba talaga siya over time. As I've said earlier before, napagaganda ng skin ko, it's very, sa Bisaya pa, hamis, kaayo siya yung ana, bitaw. But now, As in, nasashock ako that I'm having pimple breakouts tapos malalaki talaga siya mga momsies. So, I just have to accept it and this too shall pass, sabi nga nila, di ba? So, I hope this video helps mga momsies. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe and follow if you haven't yet. I'll see you on my next one. Godspeed.